Troubleshooting abnormal powering off on an LG washing machine. If your LG top-load washing machine has suddenly powered off during a cycle, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the issue. First, make sure the power cord is securely plugged into the outlet. Then press the power button on the washing machine. If the washing machine does not turn on, check the outlet by plugging in a small appliance and turning the appliance on. If the outlet is not working, check to make sure the circuit breaker has not tripped. Reset the breaker if needed. If you have experienced a power outage at the main power supply, you will need to restart the cycle after power is restored. Lastly, if your top-load dryer is stacked on a twin wash, for best performance, the twin wash should be plugged into its own individual grounded outlet. If you need further assistance, go to lg.com/us/support.